Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today you're going to review another course by Udemy. This time it's not free, it actually paid and it cost me about 11 euros. The course name is Learn AngularJS Step by Step. And let's go to the overview and the About This Course section. The first thing that you're going to see is very easy to learn a video series on AngularJS 1.4, especially for those who are beginners in this technology. So what I like here is that the instructor tells you from the beginning that it's going to be AngularJS and more particularly the version 1.4. If you're using AngularJS, you maybe already know that the differences between like 1.4 or 1.5 or 6 aren't very big, but again it's nice to know what exactly or specifically the instructor is using. Now by the numbers we have 21 lectures and 2 hours of videos. The skill level is intermediate one and the language is English. The instructor has quite a heavy accent, but you can understand him very easily and his English is very good, although he's not a native English speaker. In the description you will find a lot of things, which again is something I like, so from the beginning you know the requirements, you know what you're getting out of this course, or even what is the target audience. In the end you can find some more information about the instructor, and he also provides his Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and his website. His name is Umurati Makwana and I'm sorry if I pronounced his name in a wrong way. I really like the instructor and I think he's very knowledgeable and very experienced. Sometimes he goes in some meanings and definitions in depth, while in others not so much. But okay, maybe that's because the course is more towards an intermediate level and not so much about a beginner's one. So yeah, keep that in mind, that if you're a total beginner, then I wouldn't recommend this course, but if you're something like in between from a beginner to senior, then this course would be great. In the course content you'll see that there are 3 sections, and only in the last section you will have the code samples and a very short quiz, nothing too difficult, nothing too hard. The videos are usually something like 2, 6 or 7 minutes, and I prefer small videos, but okay, I can understand that if you want to say something and to cover a topic you'll have to talk more than 3 minutes, so in some cases videos like 10 minutes are also kind of great. In the Q&A there are a lot of questions and sometimes there is an answer, sometimes there is not any answer. In the announcement section you will see that the last one was, at least at the current time, was 15 days ago, but before that we had something like 3 years ago. Anyway, that's it from this course. A couple of things I would like to mention are that this is not a beginner's course. You have to know a couple of things before getting on it. The thing that I didn't like is that you will not build any kind of project and you will only learn some parts of AngularJS. Of course you cannot learn everything in a course that it's about 2 or 2.5 hours, but I like building some small project, maybe even to have them in my portfolio, but in this course you are not going to do that. The plus things are that the instructor is very knowledgeable and very experienced. He can provide everything, and yeah, he seems very enthusiastic and I really liked him. So that's it guys, I will leave in the description of this video the link for the course, and if you like it you can take it. It costs like 10 or 11 euros. Thank you very much for watching, have a great day, and if you like this video please share and subscribe. Bye.